Introducing the Char-Griller Akorn Jr. Kamado Kooker, the ultimate portable charcoal grill that brings you the perfect blend of high-heat grilling and low and slow cooking, all in a compact and convenient design. Whether you're tailgating, camping, park grilling, or simply barbecuing in your backyard, this portable BBQ grill and smoker will revolutionize your grilling experience. Say goodbye to limitations with the Char-Griller Akorn Jr. Kamado Kooker. Thanks to its portable and compact frame, along with convenient handles, you can now grill on the go effortlessly. Take it to tailgates, camping trips, or enjoy a delightful barbecue at the park, or even in the comfort of your backyard. With this versatile grill, you can unleash your grilling skills anytime, anywhere. Masterful design for superior grilling, crafted with precision. The Char-Griller Akorn Jr. Kamado Kooker boasts an insulated design with a locking lid that efficiently traps smoke, heat, and moisture similar to high-end ceramic Kamados. This unique feature enhances the flavor of your barbecue and reduces charcoal usage, making it cost-effective and eco-friendly. Say hello to mouth-watering, flavor-infused dishes every time you grill. Built to last, quality that matters, durability is the foundation of the Char-Griller Akorn Jr. Kamado Kooker. Constructed from heavy-gauge powder-coated steel, this grill can withstand the elements and deliver exceptional performance for years to come. The thick cast iron cooking grates ensure maximum heat retention, allowing you to achieve the perfect sear and flavor in your food. Convenience at your fingertips. Cooking with precision is a breeze with indexed adjustable dual dampers and a built-in thermometer, giving you complete control over heat levels. Plus, cleanup has never been easier thanks to the removable Easy Dump ash pan, making post-grilling chores a thing of the past. Versatile, spacious, and flavorful, with a 155 square inch cooking area and precise temperature controls, the Char-Griller Akorn Jr. Kamado Kooker allows you to grill, smoke, and sear your favorite dishes to perfection. Sear steaks, smoke wings, or grill up to 8 burgers at once, achieving restaurant-quality results in the comfort of your home. Enhance your grilling experience with Char-Griller accessories. For a truly remarkable grilling adventure, pair the Char-Griller 6755 Acorn Jr. Grill cover in 6211 Acorn Jr. Smock and stone with your Kamado Kooker. These accessories will further elevate your grilling game and ensure your grill remains protected and ready for action. Your path to flavorful feasts. Get the Char-Griller Akorn Jr. Kamado Kooker today. With its exceptional features, durable construction, and unparalleled versatility, the Char-Griller Akorn Jr. Kamado Kooker is a game-changer for grill enthusiasts. Whether you're a seasoned griller or a beginner, this portable charcoal grill will turn your grilling dreams into a reality. So, why wait? Join the grilling revolution and take your barbecues to new heights with the Char-Griller Akorn Jr. Kamado Kooker.